How to fix Football Manager 2022 not launching on Windows. 1. Check your PC specs. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Add an exception to your antivirus. Like this. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify the integrity of game files in the Steam client. 5. Delete the caches and preferences folder at c:\users\left bracket your Windows username /appdata/local/sports interactive /football manager 2022. 6. Run the game executable file as admin. Like this. Note, you may launch Steam's Browse local files option to locate the executable application. 7. Open the game in windowed mode. To do so, enable the Steam overlay while in game and type windowed under Steam launch options.